The vlog starts out with me having a big swig of Mountain Dew.
You know, as all good things do.
You sure about that?
Absolutely not.
Are you sure?
I hate Mountain Dew.
Oh my god. Point the camera to yourself. Say something. Introduce yourself to the channel. I mean, you already did before, but...
I don't know, yeah. All right, I'm Sten. It's good to be back.
It is. It's been...
What's this? Lake?
Don't say the name of the...
Oh, oops.
You just pegged my camera on the...
Sorry, it was you hit a pothole, man.
Okay.
That was on you. This is... All right, we got going at like 5:30. It's now 9 o'clock. We're just pulling up to the lake. Yeah.
What are we fishing for?
Okay, what do we have? Brooks, browns, rainbows. Is all-wheel drive active? I think so. Okay, we're good.
We made it. Ah! Let's go. Let's take a crack at these fish, shall we? All right, here goes the water. Oh my god, that is cold as f. Look at these little darters and shit. It gets deep quite quickly too. Yeah, so browns, you play them a little bit differently than rainbows.
Meaning?
They don't jump as much.
Okay.
If you feel the line like lightening up, because the fish is rising up to the surface to jump, then it's a rainbow. If they just straight pull back and forth, then it's a brown. It also depends on the momentum of the fish when it strikes the lure. Oh, you brought your sandwich. You're so smart. This place is pretty fucking epic though, isn't it? Yeah. It is. There's a head of a rainbow floating in the water. Well, the fishing is a lot harder than I thought. The water's so freaking clear. I tried swimming across.
Tried?
Yeah.
Didn't make it?
No, I mean, because my stuff is wet. Hey, my shit is dry. Dude, my phone still works. Are there a bunch of little ones?
I've seen a couple, like, yeah.
How big?
Like 6 inches.
Those are plenty catchable size. That's fucking sick. And you have a spoon on your back. Yeah, they were in the shade. I came here in the afternoon, so the sun was on the other side. So it wasn't as bright on this side. No, over there is like super deep. It's like 10 plus feet deep over there. All right, if we keep doing this, we're gonna be wasting time, so let's go. Let's take a crack-a-lackin' at this. Oh, there's some over there. But these are small fry. There are way bigger fish in here. Which is what is confusing the shit out of me, because where are they? It's going down. We're fishing timber. I hope the GoPro's on for that. My beautiful 2 lines of singing. Oh my god, a fish just busted right next to my spoon. So, Where are the browns? Oh, no, 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 no. Fish just chased it up all the way. Yeah, I saw you catch one. It was like a 6-incher, right? It's not on.
It's like a palm and a half, so like 7.
I had one like chase it all the way in and swipe out the jerkbait, but it was about the same size as yours. Oh! Oh! No! Oh. No! That came out of nowhere. What the hell?
Dang, that was so close.
Was that a rainbow?
I don't think so. It's pretty dark.
Oh, there's a fish moving on mine. Go, 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 go. Come on, go, 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 go. Yeah, no, no, no. No! It went at it 3 times. It missed 3 times.
Oh, saw that.
Oh my God. Oh, no. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. The closer you get to the shore, the faster you work it. The fish know that they're running out of space. Like the fish theoretically gets inside here, they're not gonna be able to catch it. So the faster you move it, the more aggressive they'll get. Oh my God, this fish pissed me off. Oh no. Okay, there it is. And then it stopped giving a shit about my lure halfway through. Turned on it. Oh, no, 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 come. No, 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 no. No. Hold on, take it slow, take it slow. It looks like a nice one. Is it off?
Swam in there. No, he's still on it. It's just swimming.
Okay, hold on, I got it.
Oh wait, is that what he's having?
Sick. Nice. Dude, that's actually really freaking pretty. Yeah. That is so freaking cool. All right, you wanna release him?
Okay, buddy. Get out, get out. Okay, you're gone. Hopefully you're gone.
He's gone. Nice, man. Let's go. Sick. Apologize for the wind noise. GoPros don't handle wind noise very well. The GoPro Hero 5 literally has the worst audio. Even if I'm recording audio inside of like a silent room, it'll still sound like I'm talking underwater. Not to mention it rattles inside of me. Nope, nope, I'm going in. This is just a $7 jerkbait. I am not losing this. Ah, it's cold. Shrinkage. Ah.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Fuck. This is the craziest. My God, what the hell are we doing? Okay, let's see what we got here. Local treasure hunter returns. All right, here we go. Here's what we got. I'm gonna go back and get the rest, but here's what we got for now. Well, first we got a hair jig. Don't know what that's for. A couple of split shots. This full snap you probably want. And then
Bait
rusted out
hook.
hook. My lure, this thing cost $7, so I needed it back really bad. Another snap swivel, weight, and where did that big weight go? Well, it's still back there, so I'm gonna take a break and then, oh, and here's a sliding weight too. All right, a little midday update for you guys. So a lot has happened, but also very little has happened. So Sten caught 2. One was a nice fish. I lost a couple, and also I got my lure stuck on a tree and I had to swim out and get it. And those are the 2 notable things that happened. And now it is currently like 1:30 p.m. and we're trying to find what little fish are biting. It's tough. Today is currently, it's 91 degrees. It's the hottest that the Seattle area has been this whole summer. So we literally came at the worst time possible. So yeah, I guess just keep fishing until we get something. I'll keep you guys posted. What did you find, Chief?
Any worms? Nope, they look safe.
Are you eating?
Yeah, blueberries. Oh my god, those are so good. Yeah, I'm gonna be here for a little bit, sorry. These blueberries are so good.
Oh my god.
Nut.
I think there's some creek down there.
Yeah, there's some people down there though. I'd go further down.
Yeah, this creek looks good. There's actually moving water. Oh my god,
So
Sten.
good. What? Dude. In Petersburg this year, no blueberries anywhere. Totally skunked.
So you're just getting your fix now?
Yeah, I gotta load up.
Yeah, this actually looks good. Looks fishy. Well, so a little update for you guys. We left the lake and now we are fishing the river that I think flows into it, I think. I think this is into. Maybe it's out. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Today is quite literally the hottest day of summer, probably. It's 91 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're just looking for colder water so that the trout aren't as lethargic. Yeah, that's about it. You know it's hot when the breeze is hot. This reel's starting to kick the boot. It is an old reel. I've had this since like 2015, 2016. It's starting to show its age. Oh, no! No! My drag was loose. Okay, I'm taking way too many L's today, my guy. That was a big one. What does it take to link up with these fish, though? So, Sten just caught another one, and I've caught 0. I just missed a big fish. I don't know if my GoPro is on, though. Honestly, I need to get a new GoPro. This GoPro is driving me insane. So he's caught a total of 3 today. I've caught none. I've been missing a ton of bites, so that's just great, you know. What's a little aggressive of a color? I'll try throwing this rainbow because there's a little baby rainbows, and also trout are usually cannibalistic. Oh, no, 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 no! That came all the way at my feet. I hope the GoPro picked that up. Okay, it probably did. They're in the current, I guess. Oh. No! I swear to God. Oh my God. You gotta be fucking kidding me, right? That is the 3rd fish I've missed. Get out of here. Ah. making them burgers.
It's good.
Good. Yeah, we're all tired as f. What does it say for the traffic? It says 2 hours. And 10 minutes. So, not that bad. Yeah, you don't say.